Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode, I am going to be working on installing a hydraulic e-brake, handbrake, so I can slide around a little bit. It's always good to have it because when you're on a hill, it's always trying to balance it out and rolling backwards. You don't hit a car behind you and things like that. So I'm installing the hydraulic e-brake and just work on some random stuff, whatever I get into. So let's go. Wait, is that supposed to be like magic where you go like this and then you're in the next scene? I don't know. Let's try again. Alright, so this is what I've done so far. I have 3 hydraulic e-brake. I don't know, just ordered which one I like and try to make it work. But this is the original one. Well, this is the one that came in with my Arizona Z car track pack, and as you can tell, it's backwards. It was shipped to me like that, but I didn't feel like fixing it at the moment, so I wasn't gonna use that anyway because it's kind of ugly. This one's nice, but it's super bulky, and in Z, the space is very limited. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. But I think what I'm gonna do is I may take this part, it's a brake. So basically you hold this and then you lock it so that you have parking brake. I'm probably gonna take that and incorporate that to this. Now we have that feature. And I already made a template for my tunnel. This is where I'm gonna mount it. It's gonna go like that. So yeah, I'm gonna look for a metal that I'm gonna cut up and use. Let's see, this is my pile of junk. Aluminum, that's not wide enough. Alright, I think I'm gonna use this. Yep, that's the one. So I'm gonna cut that up. Let's get to work. Got it all done. I just need to clean up the edges. Yeah, just clean it up and should be good to go. And this thing will mount in here. I already test fitted it. Everything works great. Just gotta clean it up. Alright, done. Alright, so it's all mounted in there. Still gotta paint it and all that stuff. All this gotta come out again. But I need to make the brake lines. That's gonna be fun. And I'm pretty happy overall on how it came out. I know this part's gonna bother me a little bit, so it's kinda hitting where my knees are. So I'm probably just gonna put some padding right here and hopefully that's good, but it's not too bad. But yeah, it feels pretty good. It's right there. So, alright, cool. Good to go. Okay, I got some more stuff in the mail. Don't know what they are. Just been ordering random stuff. So, I'll open them up and see what they are. Alright, cool. It looks like it's my switch panel. So I'm gonna make some switches. I'm gonna change all this out though. I'm gonna use it for my fuel pumps and other stuff. But this is just some eBay switch panel. It has voltage. It has a USB charge plugs, and your cigarette lighter, which I think I'm probably gonna turn into a push start. I don't know yet. I just bought it because I'm gonna use it. And then here is my distribution block, because I want to make my own relay panel for the. It's gonna hook up to this, but I'm still waiting on some parts. So I'm gonna put that away for now, and I will make a video when I do that. Cool. Alright, I just want to show you guys how it looks. I did the brake lines already. Didn't do any footage of it. You can pretty much find out on YouTube anywhere. I do recommend when you're making the brake lines, use steel at the minimum, because I ordered the aluminum type and it was just a pain in the ass. I couldn't get the bubble flare to work well. I think I redid it like 4 times and they all leak. But yeah, I just went to AutoZone, grabbed some 3/16 lines, and those seem to work way better. But yeah, this is how it looks. I am pretty happy with it. No leaks. Well, there was a bunch of leaks, but I fixed all of it. No leak at the moment. I already bled all the brakes. I already routed all the lines, and so far so good. So yep, that's pretty much gonna conclude this episode. So stay tuned for more fun. See you guys next time.
And that's a wrap. Peace!